Hello friends and family from Universal Studios. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different that we haven't done in a while. We're going to do a merch search here in Studios. We're not going to do anything Mardi Gras today, just all of the merchandise that I find interesting, unique, or brand new to Universal Studios. Let's check out some of that today. But before we get started, if you would subscribe and click that bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would really appreciate it. Before we go any further here, look at the beautiful weather we're having here at Universal Studios today. It is a high, I believe, of 83 degrees. A couple puffy clouds in the sky, but it is absolutely just a perfect day. I think our first stop here in our merch search should be right here on City Walk at the Universal Studios store. Let's check out what they have in there. I am loving the Wizarding World windows that they have set up here with the Hufflepuff right here. We have a backpack, some cups, very interesting with some coffee mugs, and to the left over here we have Ravenclaw. But let's head on in. For $65 they have a one-way travel London to Hogwarts backpack. This is really interesting and I really love the design of this, but check out over here. They have some matching pants here to match that backpack for $55. These are very gold and shiny. These Wizarding World t-shirts are completely new here to Universal Studios. Right here we have Ravenclaw, Wisdom, Learning, and Wit. That is $35. Over here on this side, we have Slytherin, Ambition, Cunning, and Pride. That's really nice. Here we have the Hufflepuff one, Patience, Dedication, and Loyalty. Then of course we have Gryffindor, Courage, Determination, and Bravery. I really love down here you have the Sword of Gryffindor. And these ones here are $35. Also right here, these bookmark and pen combinations really caught my eye. These are really neat actually. Like this one here is Ron Weasley. The pen looks like his wand. Then we have Ginny Weasley. We have some Death Eaters, Voldemort, Draco Malfoy, Narcissa Malfoy. Oh, this one's amazing. This is Lucius Malfoy. I love his wand too. Like, isn't that amazing? Then we have Severus Snape. Just a little pro tip, like if you're interested in some of the Wizarding World items and you don't want to deal with the crowds in Diagon Alley or over in Ioway and Hogsmeade, you definitely check out the main store here at Universal Studios for your Wizarding World gear. Very surprising, like spring breakers will be piling in here to Universal Studios literally very, very soon. But like the entrance here, there's not too many people ahead of me. Like this is really good so far. We just entered the park here. We have Labby the Cabbie's yellow cab, but there's literally no Labby the Cabbie. I wonder where he went. Here's his little booth though.
What's up guys, welcome to Universal Studios.
You got it, nice to meet you. Check this out for perfect timing right here. We have Scooby and Shaggy. Look at them doing their thing. Look at them go. And look at this right here. We have Betty Boop. I don't think I've seen her in quite some time here. Like doing a meet and greet. This is amazing. This is so cool. Let's head on into the Five and Dime now. We'll see what new and interesting they have in here. Right here for Universal Studios Mardi Gras for the crew crawl, they have giant ice, it says right here. Some Mardi Gras mask. I'm definitely loving the different paintings and just the colors of these in general. This looks really good. I actually don't think I've seen these woven Universal Studios Florida Mardi Gras blankets right here. These are amazing. It actually says Universal Mardi Gras right down there, 2022, and these are $70. So we did notice this skateboard right here at the Universal Monsters tribute store the other day with Frankenstein's monster, but we didn't see this one right here. They have the Bride of Frankenstein. This one might actually be even a little bit cooler. Like look at the Bride of Frankenstein there. For $750, look at this shark right here. That is absolutely incredible. Then over here we have Kong for $735. Like some of these sculptures that they have here are absolutely amazing. Then they have like some smaller ones like this Spider-Man for $75. And then up here the Incredible Hulk. He's actually really big. He's only $60. Also new here for $40, we have Frankenstein's Monster. This looks like a clutch bag. This is really nice though. It's like that simulated leather material, but it feels really good. Right outside of Williams of Hollywood Prop Shop, we have another character meet and greet over here. We have Bart Simpson. Just made our way inside the prop shop here. They still have some of the Shrek 4D 3D glasses, and these are only $5 a piece. I feel like that is such a great collectible. Just a great way to commemorate Shrek 4D. Check this out, I've never seen anything like this before. This is $200. It's like a corn dog stand. Down here it has the hole where I guess they put the corn dog through. Like, this is really interesting. Hot, fresh, and tasty. Look at this guy hanging out right here for $1,500 from last year's Scarecrow stock. He's literally just hanging out here on the floor. That's just pretty funny. He has a wristwatch as well. That's really neat. Check this out right here. This is the mirror from Shrek 4D. This is actually sold, has a sold sign on it right here. This was $7,500, and it is seriously probably at least 7 feet tall, but they sold this. That's amazing. Then right here for $250 a piece. It looks like they have a few of these. These are banners from the Shrek 4D attraction. Again, these would be a great thing to put in like your game room or something. Like, these are really cool. And they're kind of like scalloped on the bottom. I love that. Seriously guys, how cool is the merchandise over there in the Williams of Hollywood Prop Shop? Again, that's probably one of my favorite places to check out store-wise when I come here to Universal Studios. And the characters are just out in like full effect. It's amazing today. The Hollywood Rip Ride rocket is currently only a 35-minute wait on a very just mellow day here at Studios, which is absolutely amazing. And also, of course, right underneath the Rip Ride rocket, as part of the Mardi Gras concert series, we're able to see Styx here the other day for our live stream, and they were absolutely incredible. If you haven't already, definitely check out that live stream. They were just amazing. And also with the Mardi Gras concert series, we plan on checking out a few more of the bands live, doing a live stream, so it's going to be amazing just to be able to bring some of the live Mardi Gras concert series to you guys, which is just, it just makes me so happy. I think for our next stop here on our merch search, we want to head into the Film Vault, the motion picture memorabilia, right outside of the Transformers attraction. Look at Optimus Prime up there. How good does he look? For $500, they have this 8x10, which is actually certified and signed by Michael J. Fox. Like, this is absolutely incredible. Like, look at that. It comes with a certificate of authenticity. Also, right over here, look at this. Celebrity Authentics. This is a hoverboard. Again, signed by Michael J. Fox. I see Christopher Lloyd as Doc. We have some other signatures on here. $3,200, but that's amazing. They even have an E.T. heart plush, Take Me Home to That Special Someone. I guess these were for Valentine's Day, but they still have a bunch of these and they're absolutely adorable for $24.95. I don't think I've seen that one before. Check this out, they even have some Office ball caps right here with the classic symbol of the Office. They say Dunder Mifflin on the tag, and these are $25. And they also have this one right here that says Dunder Mifflin Paper Company. But right over here, I love this one. Dwight Schrute. This one's amazing. This one here says Scranton's Finest. This hoodie, it's like so soft and thin. I love this one. You even got Michael Scott on there. Also, this Office t-shirt right here that says Michael Scott, Dwight Schrute, Jim Halpert, Pam Beasley, I Understand Nothing. The Office, March 24th, 2005 for $25. It's also worth taking a look over here at the windows. Do a little bit of window shopping. They have some baseballs, so like some old school batting helmets. They have some baseball bats. It's just really neatly themed. And a fun little fact, my family and I were actually from Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, home of The Office. I guess that's kind of what Scranton is known for, I guess, The Office, right? Not too much more. Again, like, I'm very, very surprised with these crowd levels right here now at Universal Studios. I know the Mardi Gras parade isn't until 6:15, but like the Superstar parade is at 2 o'clock today, and there's not too many people out and about.
But you really think we can keep this one a secret?
Yeah, we're not that visible up here, man.
We're not that visible. Hey, did you look that way?
Whoa, everybody can see us.
See the people?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Okay, seriously, how good are the beat builders? It's usually a couple-minute show, but I highly recommend you guys checking the show out if you're here over in studios and the show is going on. They are so entertaining. Right over here on the bridge across the waterway that connects London to Springfield, there's that booth right there that has, for Mardi Gras, they have the Mardi Gras bubble waffle that we tried the other day. If you guys haven't watched that video, I'll let the link to that video in the description box. But it's the tent right here with all the gears. The bubble waffle, absolutely amazing. Since we're now in Springfield and we actually got to see Bart Simpson a little bit earlier in the video, I think it's only right that we check out a little bit of the Simpsons merchandise for sale here. For $45, we have a quality control Duff beer full-size like men's button-up shirt. Like, this is really, really nice. Then we also have some Duff beer baseball caps right here, and has a metal Duff beer emblem on the front. Oh, and it's a bottle opener, of course. And these are $27. For $26, they have these flat brim red Duff beer hats. But look at this t-shirt right here with Homer Simpson. Conserve water and drink beer. That is just too funny. And they are $25. For $7.95, you can also purchase these Duff beer bottle koozies that say Duff beer on the one side. On the back you have the Simpsons Universal Studios. Then you also have this design right here where it says Lady Duff with some flower print, again with Universal Studios and the Simpsons on the back. They also have these fun little take home right here. They have name shot glasses. These are $12 a piece plus tax. But look at these. These are amazing. They have like little handles on them. I love Grandpa. This one says we have Duff on the front and then Universal Studios on the back. But they literally have one for like everything. I love Mom, I love Wife, I love you, which we do. We love you guys. They just have so many here. They're sure to have whichever one you want. They even have this little caddy out front right here. They have Mardi Gras light up flower crowns. These are $12 each, or 2 for $20. But they have several different color options. They have like white, pink, red, and blue. But check out these funky glasses that they have. Like neon colors. These are like very, very retro. These are amazing. Then they have these blue ones right here. They kind of look like ski glasses. Then for $5.50, you can actually get your very own Duff sparkling beverage, which is very, very nifty. But look at these koozies right here again. Like, these are so funny. So we have Duff beer, and then it literally has like a superhero cape for $8.95. Then you can also, for $28, get the matching swim trunks for Duff beer. I couldn't think of a better spot to end today's video with literally the Jebediah Springfield statue right behind us. But if you like today's video and want to see more like this, doing some merch searches inside Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure, and City Walk, give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, make today awesome.